Welcome to Konexio Insight360 by Ambareesh Baliga. Here we discuss sectors and interesting companies. If you like this video, please press the bell icon and subscribe. India's focus on Atmanirbhar Bharat has ensured that there is all-around growth of the economy, which is expected to continue for a long time, since the goal is Viksit Bharat 2047. During this time, we will have most of the major industries growing multifold over the next decade and more. As investors, we would generally look to invest in such sectors which would outperform in the longer run. Some of such sectors are infrastructure, power, automobiles, defense, railways, consumption related, which means white goods as well as FMCG, real estate, and so on. Every such sector has a number of ancillaries, and generally they are much smaller in size. And if one is able to identify the right company in that space, the returns can be superlative. Kanishk Aluminium India Limited, which is coming out with an IPO soon, is an ancillary to a number of sectors, including real estate, power sector, especially renewable energy, automobiles, electronics, among many others. They also have a premium brand in windows and doors solutions called Bari by Kanishk, where they compete with top Indian, Japanese, as well as German brands. Although the company was set up in 2018, the promoters have more than 40 years of experience in this space, trading and then fabricating since 2005 and manufacturing from 2013. Kanishk now has integrated capabilities across design, die making, extrusion, fabrication, surface finishing with quality control to ensure consistent quality. They have a strong presence in North and the Western states in India. They also export to Canada, UK, and USA. In Bari, they have around 200 SKUs. In OEM section, they have around 100. And the commercial section, they have around 3,000 SKUs. However, the revenue mix is shifting towards Bari and OEMs, which are a high margin business. That's the reason the top line may seem stagnant since the last 3 years, but margins are improving. Capacity utilization is around 63%. They have bought 20,000 square meters of land for expansion, and we should see capex in the next 18 months to increase capacity. Real estate is one of the important growth drivers for them. The major demand comes from builders as well as property owners who are refurbishing their existing setup. The rest of it comes from renewable energy, automotive, electronics, and hardware. Notable among these is solar panel frames as well as parts for robo, which is used to cleaning solar panels, where the customer is Israeli company. With metal prices being very volatile, it is important for them to hedge. Thus, their raw material inventory is bought as per orders received, so the risk of raw material volatility is quite low. So overall, seems a good opportunity. However, as I always mention, do your own research before applying for any IPO or investing in stock markets. For IPOs, go through the RHP website of the company, check the online brochures, check for customer and employee reviews. We'll come back to you soon with another interesting idea. Till then, take care and invest safe.